Okay, here is the prototype for Snowshoe's SOG Fusion Tomahawk Sling. First of all, we're going to have 4 inner strands.
Come on, lady. You're arrested.
The exact length is going to be determined by the measurements we work out. But all those strands are going to be fixed at this end, fixed at this end. The length going to be based on the shoulder length he needs. But then we have a full single strand of paracord that's going to make this weave, which you'd be able to remove in an emergency. And we have this. This is the key. Rather than use any hardware, I want to use as much or all paracord. Snow mentioned that he wanted to be able to attach this to his pack if he wasn't wearing it as a strap. So we've got this and this hammer. That's my SOG Fusion, because I don't have one. So you'll wrap that up like that. So that's what he's going to use to attach it to his backpack.
Let's go. Come on.
Now to attach it to the sling.
I'll get you.
First take this off. Now, obviously this is a prototype, so there's a lot of loose ends that will be eliminated eventually. Take these 2 loops, put it through here.
What are you doing?
Explaining how to do this. So that makes sort of a button, see? Then we take this.
I know, you already showed it.
Put it through itself, and that locks that in. Now the length of this loop here is going to be dependent on the handle of the SOG Fusion.
What are you talking about, Daddy?
I'm showing how to use something that I'm making. But once that gets through here, it's locked on. No hardware, no steel. And that'll be the shoulder strap.
I'll be right there.
That's the plan. Hope you like it.